there's one thing that I happen to know about, it's the law. Why? Because I spent 6 years in a tumultuous custody fight and played my own attorney for 3 of them. So I understand about the law. I studied it like probably I know more about the law than I do other things. And there's certain things that carry on to any aspect of the law. And JLR and Andra are idiots. And I'm going to explain why, with proof. So first things first. You file an order of any type, it has to be in the state that you're in. You can file an order against somebody in another state. That's not a problem. But legally, it has to be in the state that you're in. You can't file a restraining order. Like, I can't file a restraining order against somebody from New York. It's not legal. It will get thrown out instantly. If I don't live in the state, the crime didn't happen in the state. Your crime, restraining order, abuse, anything has to happen in the state that you live in. This is Law 101. So, yes, you can file, let's say, I think Cruda said he lived in New York, maybe. I don't know. But for some reason, I think upstate New York. Maybe it's the way he looks. I don't know. But Andra lives in Florida. The only place that a restraining order can be done is in the state of Florida. You can't pick a random state and just file a restraining order. Even if Crude lived in South Carolina, even if he did, she still can't file in South Carolina. She has to file in her home state. That's where the crime took place. So right then and there, this thing is getting thrown out. Right then and there, she shows what a fucking idiot she is. Because I don't know where they even picked South Carolina from, but you can't file there. I have a friend who is a lawyer and a paralegal. I help them at times. I like it. It's true, though. It's just fact. Hey, MJ. It's just fact. Like, you have to file in the place that you did the crime or that the crime took place. I'll give you another example. If I rob a store in New York and I'm found in Florida, I don't get charged in Florida. The crime took place in New York. Therefore, they bring me back to New York because that's where the crime took place. This covers civil law, criminal law, all law. It has to happen there. So this made-up thing in South Carolina, yeah, okay. Secondly, I don't care how big or small this town in South Carolina is or where this order came from, but nobody is getting a court date within 5 or 7 days. And if they are getting a court date, it's because they lied and said that they need this immediate order. All right, now, to get a temporary restraining order, yes, you will get an order that fast. Now that I think about it, you'll get a motion of show cause, which is what was filed. You will get it that fast. But that's also why Andra lied and said that he sexually harassed her, because that's one of the only ways you'll be able to get what she needs, by saying that she sexually harassed her. She has to then prove her bullshit. Him doing commentary on the internet is not harassing her.